Hi guys, I really hope you're just doing awesome. Okay, so it's been a long time since I spoke to you. See, this whatever is happening due to pandemic, uh, it's like a huge earthquake to all the businesses around the globe. See, I think we should take this as an opportunity because you know जो कोई businesses थे already जो अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे थे वो भी वहीं पे ज़ीरो पे आ गए हैं और अगर आप अपना स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट कर रहे थे तो आप भी अभी ज़ीरो पे हो तो बेसिकली वी ऑल आर ऑन सेम लेवल. Okay, so it's time to check your full potential. I mean, let's suppose if I say, suppose if you're starting something and you have prepared all your structure and all the marketing plans, strategies, sales and marketing stuff, advertisements. There are a lot of things to take care of before going boom. Okay, so whatever you are doing right now matters. Okay, this I know. See, there are people who like me, there are people who hate me, and I don't actually care about neither of them because they don't have an impact on my life. All right, so what I do to my life is totally on me. It's my decision. So when I say, let's suppose I am help how many startups, 18 startups. I am supporting 18 startups with their marketing and sales strategies and other stuffs. So I just want to say that utilize this time to grow your business, to embrace what you already have. See, there are two types of people: one who creates, other who criticizes. So I like the people who create, don't criticize. You don't have any right to uh, put obligations to other businesses. See, everyone is doing for his own betterment. All right, so just pray for them, pray for their worthiness, and just move on. Look at yourself. Who are you? Where you stand? Okay, focus on yourself. uh, with this, I like to say that from Monday onwards, we are obviously going live on all our startups and all. Everything is back on track. Right now, we are actually sanitizing our office. Uh, we will soon be opening an office in Noida. Uh, after just after this pandemic gets a bit low. Okay, so I really hope you all are safe, and I appreciate all the people who supported me throughout this entire my business life. Tomorrow I'll be sharing with you my life story. How, matlab, what motivated me to do such things. See, I'm. it's hilarious. People who have nothing, who have accomplished nothing in their life, uh, tends to criticize me or other startups which I helped grow. So I feel pity for them. Uh, it's They are just busy criticizing while we are busy creating. Uh, yeah, tomorrow I'll share with you what gave me the idea to start my business, what inspired me to go through all the tough times. See, if you are criticizing me, you should know me well. You don't know how many nights I've spent. You actually don't know anything about me, about my struggles. You are just seeing the whole picture, that I've got the money, I've got the business, I've got this, I've got that. But you don't know how much efforts I have put it in to gain all that. So I don't really give a shit about how you judge me, but don't judge me, man. Just focus on your life. Who are you? Become something great. Inspire the world. You have the potential. Yes, I'm talking to you, my haters. You have the potential. Just do something creative that will inspire the world. People should remember you when you're not even alive. So, trying to do something more productive with your life than destructive. Uh, with this, I'll just end the topic of today. I really hope you guys would be inspired by this somehow, but just focus. Go on, man. Nothing has happened. You have a new chance to beat the competition. I know the competition is for losers. That game is out of the table, but I'm just saying, you have the potential. You just boom, glow. You have the potential. Take care.